the freighter. Keep the ties off our back.
Split formation, Phoenix 2. We'll cut across their axis.
Good shot, Phoenix 1. Save some for the rest of us.
Phoenix 1 to Ghost. We've cleared a path for you.
Whew. Kinda nice having Phoenix Squadron watching our backs.
We always did alright on our own.
True, but I prefer life with our new fleet to flying solo.
Oh, you were solo.
I wouldn't mind getting my feet back on solid ground for a while.
Come on, Zeb. Where's your sense of adventure?
Phantom, I'm moving into position!
Copy, Sector 2. I'm on my mark.
Alright everybody, I got this box Monday, January 22nd, if I'm right with the date. This is the second kit that I got from Randy Cooper. It's the 196 scale Ghost from Star Wars Rebels. Wanting this kit for a long time, and it's a little pricey. I will put his website on this video so everybody can go check it out. And if you can afford one, pick one up. I would say, keeping my fingers crossed, this should be right next to the 172 scale perfect grade Falcon. I'm anxious to open this up. It's been sitting for a couple days. I want to do a kit review on this. Like I said, I've been wanting this kit for a long time. Probably won't build it anytime soon, but I want to open it up, take a look inside. So let me go ahead and pause the camera, and I'll be back with everybody here shortly. Alright everybody, back on the Ghost. I got the box open. There's a lot of bubble wrap. There's some vacuum form clear parts right here. Got these cool looking decals for the turret, the cockpit. Very highly detailed. Really impressed with that. Everything's looking good. I'm sure there's going to be a lot of flash on this kit. Comes with a nice heavy duty base. That looks pretty cool. It's got some weight. The box weighed like 11-12 pounds, so it's got a lot of weight to it. This looks like the Phantom that's on the back of the ship that come, you know, they're like their little shuttlecraft, but it's called the Phantom. So everything looks, most parts are bagged up. Here's another bag of parts right here. So let me try to stage all this on my workbench. I'll pause the camera again and we'll take a look at this Ghost. I'll be right back. Alright everybody, back on the Ghost. I've got all the parts out of the bags and on my workbench. To your left over here is all the engine parts and small detail parts. Over here is the Phantom. Here's some clear parts for the engine. Well, if I put them up to the light here, you can see that looks pretty cool. So these are all engine parts, and they're all kind of done in some type of clear resin, and I couldn't tell you like where they all go. Got nice detail to the kit so far. I'm happy with it, even though this is considered a garage kit. Got some nice detail, a lot of cleanup, a lot of flash, which is typical for a garage kit. Engines look really cool, nicely detailed. The main cockpit area looks all one piece, looks really cool. Nicely detailed. This is going to be a challenge back here because these rear engines, I won't light everything up, so this is all one piece. I'll have to figure that out when I get to building the kit. But he does have a lot of detail to the kit. Hopefully that'll focus in. You see the detail. Pretty cool. Then the engines. Look really cool. And you get two of these. Nicely detailed. And a little bit of flash on these. You get the 3 landing gear. Nicely detailed. And like I said, these parts, I couldn't tell you where everything goes. You got a lot of detail in the parts. These look like part of the engines here. You can see the flash. Still looks nice. Looks really cool. One thing that this does not come with is instructions, which is going to be a big challenge to put this together. But like I said, it's a garage kit. I may have to get a hold of Randy and see if he can come up with some kind of instructions for it. If not, it's going to be a big challenge putting this together. More parts here. Nice detail though. I like the Phantom back here. This is pretty cool. It's a good size scale for 196. Nicely detailed. And a lot of flash. Detail on the bottom. Which is cool. And this piece here, that's cool. That goes on top. But like I said, a lot of cleanup. There's the guns that are in the front of the Phantom. Take it, these are the wings. Nicely detailed. And this part here is in the back of the Phantom, or back of the Ghost. And it mounts like in here, you can see, which is cool. And then the cockpit area, really cool. It goes right up in there like so. This might be, I thought that might be some interior. It looks like it might be. Looks like that might be the front control panel for the Phantom. Another part to the Phantom. Pretty cool. And some parts back here. These are all random parts. Hopefully the camera's picking that detail up. Really cool. And then here's the turret. That's really cool. Nicely detailed. Here's the guns. Really cool. More detail. Interior. And this is part of the ramp right here. Nice. I think he's got a design where you can open and close the ramp, which is cool. This might be part of the ramp right here. Some more detailed parts. Really cool. See some of the seats in here. Detailed, but flash, a lot of cleanup. Small parts. Hopefully the camera's picking that all up. Here's part of the cockpit right there. That's pretty cool. Don't know what these parts are for. Probably interior, I would say. Get out of the light there. Really cool though. Got a ladder right there. That's pretty cool. So it's got a lot of parts, a lot of detail, a lot of small parts. Figured I'd share this with everybody. It's going to be a big challenge building this if I can't get no instructions. So I figured I'd share this with everybody. If you can get one, pick one up, even though it's a garage kit. Let me go ahead and pause the camera and get the Ghost up here on the table and take a look at the ship itself. I'll be right back. Alright everybody, back on the Ghost. I've got the top part of the Ghost on my workbench. And you can see my hand here. It's decent size. I'm sure it's in scale, even though it's 196 to the Falcon 172, because this is supposed to be a bigger ship. You can see here I just got the sections next to where they go when you build the kit, both sides. But the detail, let everybody get a good look at it. A lot of nice detail to this kit. Really looks cool. Randy does a great job with detailing his kits. This is the part where the Phantom attaches to the back of the ship, which is cool. He's even got that all detailed. But let's get a closer look. Nicely detailed. Not too much flash on these bigger parts. In the main section here, if I can pick this up, it's got some weight to it. Closer look at the detail. See on the inside here, very cool. Like I said, this kit's pretty pricey. It might not be for everybody, but if you can pick it up, pick it up. It's worth every penny. Got detail right in there, and that's pretty cool. I'm not sure like which side this goes onto the ship, so it doesn't matter for now which way that goes. I'll have to look at some pictures of the Ghost. I'll give everybody another look of a top view of it. I think it's really cool. It's going to be a nice challenge if I can't get any instructions for it. That's the fun part of building kits, especially a garage kit. So let me go ahead and pause the camera, and I'll get the bottom section up on my workbench. I'll be right back. Alright everybody, back on the Ghost. This is the bottom section of the Ghost. A lot of detail in that as well. Get closer with the camera here. Everybody can see the detail. Very cool. Panel lines, everything looks cool. Really happy with the detail. Looks pretty cool. And this is probably part of the landing gear part of the Ghost. This of course is the front where the hatch or cargo bay hatch opens up. That's pretty cool. I did find that I have one little bit of a problem. There's a little bit of a wave right there. Camera might pick it up, but a heat gun will probably take care of that. This section's pretty good. It's nice and straight, but I got a little bit of a wave right there on that side, but no big deal to come out with probably a heat gun. And you can see the detail. Pretty cool. Even the side here, you see all the detail. Very cool. Same with on this side here. So there's going to be a few minor things to take care of, especially this side right here. Got it. I'm taking, that's how it goes once you start assembling the kit. Put it on an angle here. I would say that's how she goes together. Line it up. I'm sure I can get that straightened out. No problem. I'm going to go thumbs up to Randy Cooper on his hard work here doing this 1/96 scale Ghost from Star Wars Rebels. I'm going to call this a wrap on the kit review on this. I'd like to thank all my YouTube subscribers. I'd like to thank everybody for watching. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk with everybody later.